So before I get started, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification, give me a huge thumbs up. Today I'm going to be opening one of my Christmas presents, which is a LOL car. So let's open it. The other way. The first box I took out. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna find out. Whoa! Guys, do you see that? Do you see that, guys? I can see the car. I didn't even have to do that. Whoa. And guys, construction requires. Oh, now I know what this is. Maybe these are chairs. The chairs. Doll is here. This has to be Speedster little sister. Guys, look at her. Speedster little sister. This lady needs some clothes. Look at her. She's so cute. This time I'm going to be using the scissors. It feels like ooh, it's shoes! Guys, they're so tiny. They're tiny boots. Look. Yes, you can see. Look at them. This is what I have so far. Some boots, a doll, and Pop. I want to find her clothes. I wonder what this is. I just found a place to put the car keys. So I have the chairs, and I'm gonna take out the car from the box. So here's the car. It's super cool. The wheels are super cool. And we have to open up some more chairs, because I see back seats. Oh, no, that's escalators, sorry. Okay. So, let's find her outfit. Oh, a cup holder. This is super cute. I can put this anywhere. Here we go. It matches her bottle. This has to be her clothes. Oh, yeah. It's a full body suit. It matches her bottle as well. She has painted on, one of her legs are painted on leggings. So I'm gonna get her dressed. Here's her in her outfit. Wait, let me fix it. Okay, this is how she looks in her outfit. Now I'm gonna put on her boots. I'm just checking which one is right and left because right and left is important. And be careful with the shoes, they can last anywhere. I'm gonna put her cool glasses on. These look so cute. And she's gonna be holding her water bottle, all ready to have fun with her car. Now I'm gonna put the car seats in. So just gonna make sure these are all right. Okay. One. And two. All settled in. Now we can put the keys. And look at this thing about to drive. This knob can move a tiny bit. And voila! Slash pool and slash dance floor. Is this not voila? Super cool. Now they can have fun. Now she can chill out with her super cool glasses. And I'm gonna invite a friend. So I'm gonna get one of the other dolls. Stay there for a second. So, this is a doll I got from Christmas my auntie gave me. This is gonna be her friend, and stay tuned, right? Thank you for watching this video, unboxing my LOL car. Make sure you hit the bell button and subscribe to know to update some more videos.